Hey everyone, a little bit of an update here at the cabin. Just wanted to let you know that we got a roof on. We have a PVC corrugated roof and it's awesome. It's fantastic. And up here you get a good view. But yeah, we got it done. One step down. We also have the tent completely tarped up. Oh, here's an extra panel. It's always good to have those. Got it all tarped up. Feeling pretty good about it. Feeling pretty good. This is awesome. We're pretty excited. This is just another big step down. Now we can, now that we got the cabin protected from the top and the sides, maybe we start working on the walls, like the windows, and a couple other things. But yeah, big milestone. Truly though, like we're not working that fast, and with the baby on the way, I don't know, I'm probably not going to dedicate that much more time and money to this cabin until the baby's here, you know. But as time goes by, we'll see how we keep doing it. We're going to keep on with this, but for the most part, it's winterized. It's ready for winter. It's ready for fall storms, and we're pretty set. I'm pretty happy, and yeah, man, it's a good thing. It was a very good day here. Calder was out here today. Paul was not able to make it, but our friend Ashley was able to stop by, hang out, and she helped us out with some stuff on the roof. It was a good day. It was a good time. Can't really complain. It was a good day. The rain managed to stay off, which is always great. But that's about it from this week at La Granja Escondida. We're very happy at this point, and man, can't wait to see what the next week will bring us. Thanks for stopping out. We'll see you.